Grabe. Thank you so much, Ate Suzette. Papa namin, Yuna, MAC, Julian, 1-1. Let's go. Last round, guys. Last round. Ikaw lang. Pearly shell. Paano ba ang pearly shell na nan? Pearly shell dance. Nangako ako. Oo, basta makakuha tayo ng whale diving, ipi-pearly shell natin yan, guys. Paano ba yan?
It's just no song, but
Yes. 10 p.m. 10 p.m. 10 p.m. daw. Let's go, everybody! Hey! Ano ba itong sayo na to? Let's go, Boss J, Ate Suzette! This is for you. Let's go! Hey! 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 Girl. Let's go! Sariling step ko na lang. Faster! Hey! 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 Girl. Hey! I-pearly shell natin yan, ate. Let's go. Isayaw na natin yan. Halika na, pearly shell! Tatayo na ba? Oh my God, kayo, ate. May sakit pa to. Let's go! Pearly shell na natin yan tayo. Kuya Magic! Okay, up next. Nice meeting you, kuya! Laban natin to. Last round, guys. Oh my God! Pearly. Tatapusin natin to. Dalawang whale diving yun eh. Dalawang whale diving. Hey! 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 Yan, last 1 minute, guys. Last round with Tyler, okay? Last round with Tyler. Panis. Panis. Partida. Partida, may sakit pa yan. Pumi-pearly shell. Diba? Let's go. Hi, it's me, Jay. Let's go. 50 seconds, guys. Thank you so much, Ate Suzette, Papa namin, Nick. Thank you. I-pearly shell na natin yan, guys. I-pearly shell. Snipe. Let's go, guys. Unti lang, 100 lang. Let us snipe. Snipe. Yan, lalaro kami ni John after. Ayan, next na siya. Let's go, everybody! Hey. Snipe, guys. Snipe, guys. For the pearly shell. Buksan ng pearly shell. Nick, let's go! Thank you so much! Hey, pearly shell. Thank you, Nick. Salamat, sobra. And to all our MVPs, Papa namin, Nick, Yuna, Boss J. Yan, ang dami nating gloves. Let's go. We're ready for Ways of John.
Followed by
Ayan,
Carol,
hi.
Evelyn, Amores, Ewelina, Elena, Iska, Beats, Mi Corazon, and Esmeralda. And of course, guys, if your account's private and you don't show in the top 10,
Thank you,
thank you so
Tyler.
much. All right, hey, great to see you again.
Thank you. Thank you for the invite. Have a great day.
Yeah, we'll catch you guys next time, okay? See ya.
Okay.
All right, bye.
Bye-bye. Okay, andyan na si John. John.